What if I told you there are only 3 simple movements that can switch your body from aging to rebuilding? And what if your muscles, energy, and hormones could bounce back no matter if you're 60, 70, or even 80? It sounds impossible, but science proves these 3 movements can reignite the same hormonal pathways you had decades ago. Today, I'll show you the only 3 movements that restore your hormones, reverse the signs of aging, and bring back energy you thought was gone forever. Let's get straight into it, no time wasting, because the sooner you start, the faster your body begins reversing the clock. First, let's start with squats. Squats are far more than a leg exercise. They're a full-body hormonal reset button for men over 60. When you squat, your quads, hamstrings, and glutes fire together, triggering a powerful surge of testosterone and growth hormone, your body's 2 main anti-aging hormones. Research from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning shows squats can release up to 8 times more hormones than isolation exercises, which is why they're considered one of the strongest age-reversing movements. They rebuild leg strength, boost circulation, increase bone density, restore balance, and dramatically improve joint stability, key areas that decline after 60. Harvard studies even link strong legs to longer life and better brain health. To do it perfectly, keep your feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, core tight. Inhale as you sit back like onto a chair, and exhale as you rise. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 slow, controlled reps. This single movement restores testosterone, strengthens your knees and hips, improves posture, boosts growth hormone, and makes daily movement feel effortless. Next, let's move to push-ups. Push-ups are not just a chest exercise, they're one of the most powerful anti-aging stimulators for men over 60. With proper form, your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your back activate at the same time, creating a full-body hormonal response that boosts growth hormone, improves insulin sensitivity, and strengthens the heart. Harvard research shows that men who can perform push-ups naturally maintain younger biological markers and dramatically lower their risk of heart disease. This single movement restores shoulder strength, improves joint mobility, enhances circulation, and builds upper body muscle while correcting posture and preventing the old man forward lean. Keep your hands slightly wider than shoulders, body straight. Inhale on the way down. Exhale as you push up and squeeze your chest at the top, or use an incline if needed. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 controlled reps to restore growth hormone, support heart health, strengthen posture, fire up your core, and boost your metabolism. Finally, let's move to glute bridges. Glute bridges are the hidden anti-aging weapon for men over 60 because strong glutes control your balance, posture, walking power, metabolism, and even testosterone. Studies show that activating the posterior chain boosts anabolic hormones and restores functional strength, which is why glute bridges instantly improve lower back support, hip mobility, circulation, and stability. To do them perfectly, lie on your back with knees bent, feet hip-width apart. Inhale before lifting, exhale as you raise your hips. Squeeze your glutes for a second at the top and lower slowly. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps to rebuild posture, reduce back pain, restore walking power, and naturally boost testosterone. If you're over 60, these 3 movements are not optional, they are essential. Do these 3 every day or every other day, and your body will begin reversing the clock faster than you think. Comment below, which of these 3 movements are you starting today? And share this video with someone over 60 who wants to feel younger, move stronger, and live longer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.